Hello guys, so we are back again with another video and let's get right to it. Thank you guys again for 50 subscribers, and I really want to say thank you for 50 subscribers. And as you guys saw in the title, we're doing a video called 21 YouTube video ideas quarantine version. So let's get right to the video. I hope this really helps you if you're starting a new YouTube channel like me. So enjoy the video. Okay, so number 1, introduction video. So you can say introduction video / get to know me tag. Number 2, 50 facts about me. So like you can just like write up facts about yourself, then tell your subscribers. Number 3, pranks. This really helped a lot of YouTubers to blow up. I've actually seen a lot of these videos, and most of them have like 1K views and above. Okay, number 4, unboxing video. Like when you get a new device that hasn't really come out, or like you got it, like you're one of the first people to get it, you can post it on YouTube and you're actually going to get a lot of subscribers and views on that video. Number 5, interviews. You can do interviews with, like, if you meet a famous person, you can do an interview with him and you can just film it and you can post it on your YouTube, and that will get a lot of views as long as you add the person's name into it. Number 6, time lapse. Like time lapse as in like you put a food or something, then you put a time lapse for like 2 weeks and see how the food changes and stuff like that. Number 7, tips. So you can tell people tips about stuff, like how to do stuff. Number 8, 10 things to do during quarantine, because it's quarantine right now and everybody wants to know what to do to kill their boredom. Number 9, behind the scene of how you make your videos. People really want to watch how you make your videos, so maybe they can try to make it. Number 10, a gadget I can't live without. So you're just going to like say the gadget you can't live without, talk about the gadget, and say why you can't live without it. Number 11, try not to laugh. You can just get some clips off YouTube or off Instagram, then add it to your video and try not to laugh. You can do it with your brother, your sister. You can do it with your brother and sister, or any part of the family right now, because you can't do it with friends because everybody's on quarantine. So number 12, your top clothing brand. You can talk about the clothing brands that you like. Tell them if you have clothes from that particular brand and what is in my bag. This is actually a very interesting one because it's only for people that haven't cleared their bags since the day that school closed. Well, I haven't checked my bag since the day that school closed, so you can just say what's in my bag video to see like what you left in your bag since school was resumed. Number 14, a challenge video. It's also very popular. It's just like pranks, also very popular on YouTube. Number 15, never have I ever. You can just like go to an app and get never have I ever questions, then answer them on your YouTube channel. I've actually done one of these videos, 2 actually, part 1 and part 2. Link will be in the description for the video. And number 16, get ready with me to go nowhere, because we're not going anywhere. As you can see, we're on quarantine, so we're not really going anywhere. So you can do a get ready to go with me nowhere. Number 17, sister, brother, or cousin tag. Maybe like people want to know more about you and your family, so you can post that on YouTube too. Number 18, study with me, because some of us like me have exams. I'm in 9th grade, I have an exam. Yeah, so you can do a study with me video and make it more fun, because nobody actually wants to watch you study, so just make it more fun. Number 19, what is on my phone. That is also very interesting to show your subscribers and viewers what is on your phone. Now, these last 2 are the most important. This will really ensure your channel to blow up. Number 20, evergreen videos. If you don't know what I mean by evergreen videos, I mean how-to videos, because how-to videos are never going to outdate, because everybody wants to learn how to do something Like if I post a how-to video now, people can still be watching it 20 years from now because they want to learn how to do the stuff that I posted. And the last but not the least, thank you videos. Saying thank you for like a milestone that you reached, as I did in the beginning of this video. Thank you guys once again for getting me to 50 subscribers. And that is all. 21 YouTube video ideas, quarantine version. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, please get me to 100 subscribers. Comment, share with your friends so they can share with their friends, and they'll share with their friends and friends. So thank you guys for making it to the end of the video once again, and see you guys later. Bye.